Welcome back to Kimball Cam. Last week we unboxed all of our fall decor, and this week we're going to be showing you how to start to decorate your fireplace. I'm really excited, so let's get started. First thing you're going to want to do is clean your fireplace or your mantle with some 409 and get the top of the mantle, and then I also make sure that I touch up any of the ashes or dust from the fireplace. If you're using a shelf instead of your fireplace or maybe a table, just give it a quick dust off. Next, you want to make sure that you gather all your materials and take all of the price tags off. Make sure you clean them down. Once you get them all set, you don't want to have to take them down again to, give them that polish. So here you'll see all of the items that we went through in our last video. I'm gonna link that for you right now. What we're also going to do is add a few of these fall florals. Figure out where the center of your fireplace decor is going to start. I like to choose one big item or one of my favorite items to be in the middle of the fireplace so it just draws your attention to your favorite thing. For me, this big item is going to be our big pumpkin. Move the item so it's just about center. Next, you're going to want to accent that big decorative piece with maybe something with a different color or a different texture. For me, that's going to be these velvet pumpkins we found last week. I have these pumpkins in both orange and in white, and because we have a white pumpkin, I'm going to try with the orange first. Next, you're going to want to make sure everything is still centered and then find your next piece. That's going to be these two squirrels, the ones that put a big smile on my face every time I see them. I'm going to put them facing the middle so that way they draw attention to the big decorative piece, which is our pumpkin. Next, we're going to add a pop of a different color. So in this case, we're going to use our two pumpkins that we got from Hobby Lobby to add a pop of blue. One of my favorite things to do is add some candles up to the top of my mantle. That way I can add some light ambient lighting and also create a different mood. Thanks Patty and Kaylee for this awesome find. You can tell they actually are pretty cool because they look like real candles. You can actually hear them flicker, which is pretty cool. Next, what I want to do is add some height to those candles. So I've actually created my own little candle pillars. Those candle pillars are going to be in my next video. In that video, I show you how to transform some easy, inexpensive Dollar Tree containers into a pillar for your candle. And I'm just going to use it to add a little bit of height to stack those candles up. See that I have some navy blue curtains that I've put up that allow us to have a pop of color against all of the white shutters and walls. Hydrangeas don't last very long when they're fresh, but they're my favorite flower and I want to keep them all year round. And then we also have some blueberries that we were able to find at the dollar store. What's cool is that these 4 stems were just $1 each. So we got a few to accent those white pumpkins that we add them in to add a little bit more height and accent the ends. So you may notice that at the top of my mantle, I have a fall sign. You can use it any time of year, and I really like the message. This is home. So I chose to use this fall sign, but what you can do is you can use anything. In one of my next videos, I'll show you how to paint a very easy sign, so that way you can have something for your home that's homemade for fall. What I do next is add some lanterns in to the bottoms of my fireplace. So add some more ambient lighting and tie in the black from my "This is Home" sign down to the bottom. If you're still watching this video, now is the time to subscribe. Last but not least, you can tell that the mantle looks great like how it is. But what I like to do and see how I can add a little more height to my mantle. I actually got these 2 lanterns from Kaylee and Patty for Christmas. And you can tell they're gorgeous. They have like touches of gray in them. I'm gonna add this in to blend all of my colors together and add some height. Turn the lights off, see what it looks like at different times of day, see if you need to adjust your candles or any of your lighting. If you like the way it looks, no need to change anything, but if now's your time to kind of rearrange. Why are you looking at me like that? Make sure you subscribe now. Next week, we're going to be showing you some do-it-yourself hacks, and then we're going to get into the rest of our fallscape. Thanks for watching this week. We'll see you next week.
Do you want to move the floor on?